Welcome. If you've ever wanted to send quick voice messages to your friends or server members on Discord, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps for sending voice messages on Discord Mobile. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, this guide will help you get your message across loud and clear. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account and have the latest version of the app installed for the smoothest experience. Next, decide where you want to send your voice message. You can choose a direct message with a friend or a channel within a server. Tap on the chat or server channel where you want your message to go. Now, here's the fun part. Look for the microphone icon, which you'll find right next to the message input box at the bottom of your screen. To record your message, simply tap and hold that microphone icon. While holding it down, speak clearly into your device's microphone. You can record anything you want to share, whether it's a quick hello, a funny story, or important information for your group. Once you're done recording, just release your finger from the microphone icon. Your voice message will be sent instantly to the chat or channel. It's that easy. There's no need to tap any extra buttons or confirm your recording. Just release, and it's on its way. A few quick tips. If you change your mind while recording, simply slide your finger away from the microphone icon before releasing, and your message won't be sent. Also, remember that some servers may have permissions set up that limit who can send voice messages, so if you don't see the microphone icon, check with the server admin, and that's it. Sending voice messages on Discord Mobile is a fast and convenient way to communicate, especially when you're on the go. Try it out and let your friends hear from you in your own voice. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.